Okay. Now let's do question number 12, which is also based on paragraph completion. As I have explained earlier, you have to follow these two steps, getting the main idea by identifying the keyword and select the option which is in line with the main idea. Now here in question 12, the main sentence or the key sentence is the last sentence, which starts with but. Now before but, the paragraph says that there is a law commission and that law commission has objected to the long summer break that Supreme Court and High Court judges have taken. Okay. And the last sentence starts with but, which says, but this is a tricky issue, and it's the issue of going on long summer break. Okay. This is a tricky issue which has defied the reformist zeal of some Supreme Court Chief Justice. Now, what does this defy mean? That we have to understand, because that is the key word again in that sentence. Now, even if you don't know what defy means, we can understand here what it could mean. Now, generally, any word that ending with fy, which means make or do something. For example, when you clarify, you do clarification. Okay, you justify, you make or give or do justification. So here fy means making or doing something. Now de, most words starting with d are negative. Let us say deny, which is almost sounding similar to defy. Or let us say degrade. Again degrade, the word starting with d, so degrade is negative. So this word is negative. Plus it is saying negative doing something or making something, which means it is highly negative. Now if you look at the dictionary meaning of the word defy, to defy means to dismiss openly, to reject something openly. Which means here this issue is rejecting something openly or dismissing something openly, which means the tone of this sentence is high. Now the last sentence should end by talking about what is the action that judges have done by which they have dismissed the objection taken by the law commission. Okay. If you look at the first option says Supreme Court judges say they should not be judged by the hours they spent in the courtroom. Now this A sentence talks only about Supreme Court judges, whereas this paragraph, it says both Supreme Court and High Court judges have gone on a long break. So this is limiting only to Supreme judges. And the last sentence does not say that only Supreme Court judges have objected to the objection taken by the law commission. Therefore, A should not be the answer. In addition to this, the tone is mild. Why they are saying, how they are rejecting? They are saying they should not be judged by the hours they spend in the courtroom. So they are simply saying they should not be judged by the hours. But it is not said then on what basis they should be judged. They are saying on what basis they should not be judged, but they are not saying on what basis they should be judged. So it is mild in tone. So for two reasons, the first option is eliminated. Second one, judges need respite from the daily grind to steady and cogitate. So they need some respite, means they need some rest. Again, when you reject something highly, okay, you will not simply say by saying that I want to take rest. So this is mild in tone, right? So the second option is eliminated. Third one says most judges defend the vacation. Most judges defend the vacation, saying they are actually working hard. Now the word most judges talk about both Supreme Court and High Court. So this is a general word which is matching with the general idea of the paragraph. Plus it says they are actually working hard. This word actually makes their opinion strong. They are actually working hard. When you say I am actually doing this or actually doing this, which means I am rejecting or following your opinion very highly. So this is high in tone, which is matching with the word defy, which is also high in tone. So this should be the answer. If you look at the fourth one, what judges do at home and office is not visible to the ordinary person, they argue. Now who are these they? That is not clear in this option number 4. That's why this option number 4 should be eliminated. So the right answer here is C.